So if you saw that video, you would be seeing across those mute and deaf students actually, getting themselves educated. And we are fortunate enough to be part of this kind of education system, where you have all the benefits of doing the great things and taking the opportunity. Now, just to share across, I think there's some issues with it's going back and forth situation. So just to share across few of my experiences on the education side of it, which has shaped whatever the career or what I have been doing along on the part of it. In my school times, in my 8th standard, there was an episode which really helped across with my teacher, where I was trying to copy across on my 8th standard, and that teacher actually caught me, and from there, I mean, he could have easily rusticated or probably ruined my 1 year. We had a counseling session, and probably that changed a lot of my way of thinking towards achieving or solving problems. And that's where I would say that teachers shape a lot of the life, and I had one of my experiences which changed a lot of things for me in terms of achieving problems. There are no shortcuts which are there, and I would like to thank teachers on those lines, which actually shapes our life in a real-time scenario. The next one, while I was doing my college admission for 11th and 12th, I was short of 3 percentages, and I wanted to enter into that college. They asked me saying that if you go in for a Sanskrit class as a language, we can accommodate you, and this additional grace 3 percentage would be given. In my school times, I had never studied Sanskrit. That was my first lesson which I learned across to change myself. Saying that now if I want to get into this college, I would have to adapt, I will have to change, I will have to learn. So 11th and 12th, to get admission into that college, I took up those challenge in terms of learning Sanskrit, and actually passed out both the years successfully learning and giving Sanskrit exams. So another part is to continuously change and adapt as things would come across. If you have some vision saying that, okay, I need to get into that college. So, I mean, I was short, but there was a way, there was an option. So I took that, went ahead. The next part, in engineering, once I entered after my 12th, I thought this is done here. My life is, I'm set for life. I did not work hard. So 11th and 12th, you really work hard, get into an engineering college, passing your exams. And suddenly I found across saying that this is what perfect life it would be. But then I found out engineering required more hard work, better than what I had done in 11th and 12th. So that was a revelation where in 3rd semester, I got 580 KTs. In 4th sem, I actually cleared 10 of it, the 6th from the 4th sem, 4 of the 3rd sem. I failed in that 180 KT again, which I lost my 1 engineering year. In getting into admission into engineering is not the ultimate goal. Ultimate goal is to get out of engineering. So the hard work starts after you get into engineering, not in 11th and 12th. So I learned this lesson. Now what I did in that 1 year, again, shaped a lot of my life or current working, what I've been doing along. My grandfather had a chemical business in a very small shop. It was not a large business, 100 square feet shop, where he used to trade chemicals. And I was made to go over there for 1 year. I learned actual business nitty-gritties, meeting customer, what is a contract, what is an invoice, how does a